Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and you are watching my channel Math with Sir Asim. Students, in last lecture we did one questions from past papers of circular measures. Today we are going to do one more questions one more question from past papers. This question appeared in October-November 2014 paper 1-3 and the question is: the diagram shows a sector AOB of a circle center O radius 12 centimeter. Angle AOB is 0.9 radians. The point C lies on OA such that OC is equals to CB. Part number 1, show that OC is equals to 9.65 centimeter. Correct to 3 significant figures. 2 mark. So students, according to question, you can see a hint that is OC is equals to CB. This is OC and this is CB. So you can say OCB is an isosceles triangle. Because in an isosceles triangle, two lines are equal length or two sides are equal. So if we draw a perpendicular from C to AB. Perpendicular means foot of the perpendicular is must have 90 degree. So you can say a right angle triangle OC, or you can assign the name H. OCH is a right angle triangle. So if we draw a perpendicular in isosceles triangle, so foot of the perpendicular is split, the length of the line is equal half. That is 12 centimeters becomes 6 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Now you can apply the simple trigonometrical ratio cos 0.9 is equals to adjacent upon hypotenuse 6 upon OC. So OC is equals to 6 upon cos 0.9. Students, keep in mind, whenever you are using your calculator and you have a question related to radians, your calculator must be in radian mode. So 6 upon cos 0.9 from your calculator, you will get the exact answer, that is 6.5 centimeter. And this is the requirement of part number 1. Show that OC is equals to 9.65 centimeter, correct to 3 significant figures. So very easy part. Look at part number 2. What is part number 2? Find the perimeter of the shaded region. So perimeter means add all those lines which are touches to the shaded region. So you can say a line AC which is touches to the shaded region, an arc AB which is touches to the shaded region, and the line BC which is touches to the shaded region. How to find AC? You know, the radius is given 12 centimeter OB. So in a sector, radii are equal. So OA is 12 centimeter and OC you have find 9.65 centimeter. So you can say AC is equals to total length 12 minus OC, which is 9.65, is equals to 2.34 centimeter. Now we have to find arc AB. Arc AB. What is the formula of arc length? S is equals to R theta, where R is the radius 12 theta is given 12.9. So 12 multiplied by 12.9 is 10.8. Now we have to find BC, and you can see in the question OC is equals to CB. So we have find OC is 9.65. Therefore, BC is also 9.65. 65 centimeter. Hence, perimeter of shaded region is equals to AC, which is 2.34 plus arc length AB 10.8. BC is same, that is 9.65. BC and OC is equal, given in the question. So the total answer is 22.8. Correct to 3 significant figures. This is the answer of part B. Hope you understand. Look at part 3. What is part 3? Where is part 3? This one. So part 3 is find the area of the shaded region. Very easy. Look at carefully the diagram. How to find the area of the shaded region? First, we have to find the area of the whole shape. The whole shape represents the sector, that is OAB. So what is the formula of the area of sector? 1 upon 2 radius square into theta. Radius is 12. So 1 upon 2 area of sector is equals to 1 upon 2 radius square 12 square into theta, that is 0.9. Use your calculator, you will get 64.8 centimeter square. This represents 64.8 represent the area of the whole shape. Now find the area of the unshaded region, that is the area of triangle OCB. The side OB is 12 and the side OC is 9.65. So area of triangle, we have to use the formula. Area of triangle, you can assign the name of the triangle OCB. OCB, half into first side, that is 12, into second side, that is 9.65, into sine of 0.9. Your calculator must be in radian mode. You will get the answer 45.35 centimeter square. Hence, the area of shaded region is equals to the total area 64.8 minus area of triangle 45.35 is equals to 19.4 centimeter square. 19.4 centimeter square, correct to 3 significant figures. So this is the answer of part number 3. So total mass of this question is 2 plus 3 5 plus 3 8, and if you do in this way you will get full marks. This is our today's class where we did question number 6 from past papers October November 2014 paper 1 free additional math code 4037. I request all of you kindly to subscribe my channel, and whenever you subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon button so that when I upload my videos, you will get the notification. Kindly share my videos, my channel, as many as you can. Good luck for next lecture.